Oh yes. We got the baggage. We got the baggage, dog. We got the package. What's going on, y'all? How y'all feeling? Josh, Kicking It crew. How y'all feeling today? Hey, do me a favor. Hit that comment, share, and make sure you subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you stay up to date on everything. Josh, Kicking It. Yo, we got one. Hey, Nike, I see you here. Adidas, I see you here. You got to get your grades up, but I see you here. New Balance, you've been doing excellent. You've been doing a great job. I like that. Hey, Asics,
I'm here. I'm here.
Asics,
I'm here. No, I'm here.
Yo, Asics,
I'm here.
we got one. Yo, I seen these. And I swear, I think they ain't dropped. These hasn't dropped since 2008. And I had to get them. I seen them. I love the colorway of them. They are some Asics Gel-Kayano 14s. Ascis Gel-Kayano 14s. That's what we're going to go with. White slate, gray. These right here. Cleansed. What my boy Mike Rich say? Cleansed. Clank, cleansed. You know, these right here, buttery. You know, these ones are the ones that you be like, I seen them, I like them, and I gotta have them. The difference between Asics, New Balance, Adidas is that they give you the same shoe with subtle different hints and tiers. Their shoes have tiers. If you ever look at what bothered me about Nike, and we'll get to the shoe. What bothered me about Nike is they have tiers for shoes, but the tiers don't make sense. You get what I'm saying? Like, what's the upgrade from an Air Force One? There is no upgrade from Air Force One. What, Jordan? There is no upgrade. You get what I'm saying? They base models have an upgraded model of them. Now you can go Nike React, you can go different stuff like that, but normally they base models have a upgraded one. Nike don't have a lot of that. They have dropped the Zoom. They have the Zoom Vomero. They have upgraded models of it. But let's be honest. Are we really checking for them? Now, Asics, New Balance have always had a tier level of how they sold their shoes. This is not new. It's always been a tier level. With Asics, this is the middle grade. This is a 150 shoe. These cost $150, and I love it. I love it because it's the perfect shoe for the perfect time of the year right now. And that's summertime. That's fall time. You get what I'm saying? Springtime. It's the perfect time for this shoe. So, to all my good people out there, if y'all ain't really mess with Asics, I think it's about time y'all mess with Asics. Let's get into this. These haven't dropped, if I'm not mistaken, since 2008. I'm gonna fact check that, and if I'm wrong, I'll put when it dropped bold over my face right now. So here we go. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh-wee. 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 Yeah. A good running shoe will always catch my eye. Right now, I said it before, running shoes are taking over the shoe space, and man, oh man, you have the nice Asics logo there. You have the nice cut. I like that. I like that look on them. That's what made me get them. I like that look on them. You have the mesh, that lime or whatever color green this is totally killing it. It's killing it, and I love it. Now, I've seen so many collabs these years with Asics, with New Balance. Nike still doing the same old little rapper thing with theirs. They got more people, but it's just not hitting the way it used to. But Asics, On Cloud, all of them are killing it with the collabs. And this is another one. This is not a collab, but this is a dope shoe. for 150. Shout out to Oneness once again for the dope pickup, for having it when I went to go grab it. This is 11 and a half. Asics do run true to size, so if you are looking for it, you can grab it. So Asics do run true to size. So if you're looking for a 11 and a half, 12, if you're in between the shoe sizes, they run true to size. So get your true size with these, especially these running shoes. Running shoes, you got to watch out, because a running shoe will definitely run big. So sometimes you can go that half size smaller, but Asics run true to size. I know this because I have Asics. Might not did a lot of videos on them, but I have Asics. I've had them in the past. I like this sole. The sole here is beautiful. It's beautiful. They do gel. So, and you have this hard plastic base here. They have some give on it. So look, if you into Asics, if you into shoes, I always want to bring you guys something different. I always want to keep you guys up to what's going on in the shoe world. And I always want to give y'all my point of view on shoes. This is my point of view. This is not nobody else's point of view. So please take it as big as large as you want to take it. This is my take on shoes. So with all that being said, hey, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for hitting that notification bell, because that's all we ask. Look, it don't cost to subscribe, so hit that subscribe button. Yo, if you love shoes like I love shoes, make sure you definitely follow me. Yo, the Asics. I can't get this name right, y'all. Y'all gonna have to help me get this name right. Kayano 14s, yo. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all be blessed, be safe. Yeah, Ascis Gel-Kayano. Reincarnated. I'm a star, baby. Life goes on. I need all my baby.